Life has been crazy for Chris lately. Here is a look into his life as a travel filmmaker and some projects and strategies he has been working on.
Endless energy when I'm in flow state. Like nothing exists. Time, money, energy, like it's all irrelevant. But as soon as I step out of flow state, I feel exhausted, life feels heavy, the time is ticking, and I feel like I'm just burning money. It's so weird. But when I'm in flow state, I'm just like boop, 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 boop. Or it's more like
collaborations are a big key to what I do, and I've actually built this pyramid that essentially is my marketing and my strategy. It's really simple. It's got 3 sides to it. I have client work at the top, I have collaborations, and I have passion projects. Now, the simplest way to break this down is clients come in for my knowledge, my skills, and my talents, and they essentially pay me to trade them a product that's gonna make them money. I take that money and I put it into collaborations and passion projects because I think those are the 2 main sources to really get my vision out there, because I'm being most authentic to myself and I'm collaborating with people who are like-minded. Now, here's how collaborations fully benefit me. When I go out and shoot, whether it's photos and videos with somebody, they're trading their time and I'm trading my time, so it's very equal. Then beyond that, I go and I edit, whether it's a video or photos, and I post it and then collaborate with them. They're then gonna share it to their social media audience, and there's gonna be a percentage of that audience that overlaps with me, them, and what we created, and that's how I'm searching for clients, by simply putting out passion projects that are fun to shoot with people who are really fun to shoot it with. Made it to the end of the video. Let's go. And for that, I'm going to give you the last tip that really pulls everything together, because I wanted to reward the people who made it to the end. So without further ado, here's the actual strategy that I've been using with the tips that I gave you in this video. So it all started when I was like, I need to put out consistent content and it needs to be high quality. So I thought YouTube was the best form of that, where I could tell longer stories. And then I was doing that every week, and I've been doing this for the last 8 weeks, but I noticed I was like, it's not quite enough because there's so many social platforms out there. So I was like, contacted my VA and I was like, let's go ahead and chop this up. And we were chopping it up, but it wasn't telling a full story. It was telling bits and pieces of the story. So then in shooting future episodes, something that hit me was like, why don't we create 60 to 90 second sequences, because Reels max out at 90 seconds and 60 on some platforms, but build these 60 to 90 second sequences of all the stuff I shoot during the week, squish it together and tell the story. And that's what we've been doing. But with those 60 to 90 second sequences, we're able to cut directly on the line and upload it directly to social media. You don't have to reprocess it or reconvert it. It's super ready to go and it's working. My Instagram followers have increased significantly since we started this. My YouTube subscribers are growing with the consistent content that I'm putting out. And my overall brand, I just have a feeling that I'm being seen and being heard by other people all around the world instead of in this little Kansas City area that I live in, which is, it's just given me a whole new outlook. And then as a creative, something that I'm not doing anymore is shooting super dope projects and putting them in front of client work and never editing them. Instead, it's like, we shoot this on Monday, we have to edit it by Wednesday, and we're putting the video out by Friday. So that's essentially the strategy, and it's working very well for me. I'd love to hear how it's working for you guys. Drop in the comments below after this video or in future videos. And be sure to check me out every week, Fridays at 3 p.m. I drop, like I said, it's either a vlog style video or more of a weekly recap of all the fun stuff that we're doing and just collaborating with cool people, chasing passion projects and creating content that brings the art back into it instead of the dopamine hits. It's all about just telling stories, living our lives, and sharing the magic of life with everybody who wants to experience it with us. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out the next video at 3 p.m. on Friday. Until then, make sure you subscribe over here and check out the other videos I have over here. Peace out, and thank you so much.
Now you should fully understand why Chris is exhausted and some of the strategies he has been working on implementing to grow his personal brand.